In a significant development following the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, the centre has moved swiftly to ensure continuity in the Education Ministry. After being assigned the Union Education Ministry, Union Minister Prahlad Joshi today officially assumed the office. He will continue to hold his previous portfolios as well. So apart from education, he holds the consumer affairs, food and public distribution, and new as well as renewable energy departments. Here's what he had to say just after the announcement yesterday.
Accept this responsibility with sense of duty and humility, and I am thankful to the Prime Minister, and under the guidance of the Prime Minister, I will try to perform to the best of my capacity under Prime Minister's guidance.
The appointment comes after weeks of unprecedented student protests that culminated in Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation over the alleged NEET paper leak and examination irregularities. The month-long agitation led by the Cockroach Janata Party ended after the third round of talks with the centre following the government's acceptance of the protesters' key demands. Soon after the breakthrough, the protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar was officially called off. At the press conference after the meeting, the CJP leaders said that all of their demands had been accepted by the government. Government representatives also reassured that the 5-point charter presented by the CJP will be considered.
एजुकेशन के एग्जामिनेशन के रिफॉर्म्स के लिए जो आपका चार्टर है उस पर हम गहन चिंतन भी करेंगे और आपके डेलीगेशन के साथ बातचीत करके जो कुछ भी हम डेलिब्रेट कर सकेंगे वो हम करने का प्रयास करेंगे। तो ये इनकी डिमांड्स थी। मेरे ख्याल से इन्होंने जो डिमांड्स रखी थी उन सबको सरकार ने सहानुभूतिपूर्वक माना भी है और एक्सेप्ट भी किया
है। वो भी शॉर्टली सरकार ने अश्योर किया है कि विड्रॉ हो जाएंगे। साथ साथ इन्होंने ये भी हम लोगों ने एग्री किया है कि फ्यूचर में कोई भी एक्शन नहीं लिया जाएगा किसी भी प्रोटेस्टर के खिलाफ एंड सीजेपी की जो टीम है, जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स है, उनके खिलाफ।
Taking responsibility for the crisis, Dharmendra Pradhan announced his resignation just hours ahead of the meet between CJP and the centre. Highlighting his commitment towards students, teachers and education reforms for more than 4 decades, Dharmendra Pradhan said that the aspirations and expectations of the country's youth is paramount for him, and he had accepted responsibility since the very beginning. He also expressed anguish over recent July 20th protests and said that his resignation is to protect the interests and future of India's youth. Leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi responded to the development. Gandhi welcomed the decision, congratulated the youth of the nation and expressed hope that the government would now take concrete steps to reform the education system.
उसको तो जाना ही था और अच्छा है कि वो गया, बट अब कॉन्क्रीट स्टेप्स एजुकेशन सिस्टम को बदलने की सरकार को लेने पड़ेंगे।
Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge described the development as a victory for millions of young Indians. He demanded reforms in the education system. In fact, former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal termed the resignation a victory for democracy. Parallelly, activist Sonam Wangchuk, whose 26-day hunger strike had galvanized the entire movement, also welcomed the development and credited the country's young generation for sustaining the nationwide campaign.
इस आंदोलन को ज़रूरत पड़े और कुछ आगे लेना हो या फिर अभी रोकना हो, जो भी करें बहुत ही शांति से करें। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं सरकार से कि इस बदलाव के साथ ही बहुत से और बदलाव भी लाएंगे शासन चलाने के तरीकों में भी।
Responding to the resignation of Pradhan, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the country, youth and students are far more important than any position. Amit Shah added that the Modi government respects the sentiments of the country's youth and is committed to implementing the necessary reforms. Delhi police, meanwhile, have removed all roadblocks and barricades across the protest site at Jantar Mantar after CJP called off its month-long agitation. Shiv Sena UBT and MNS took out a massive victory rally in Mumbai to congratulate the student movement. Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray earlier said that the youth have shown that the center the spark of revolution is still burning. He went on to say that Union Home Minister Amit Shah must explain why the Delhi police had used violence on the agitating youth. And getting us this ground report from Mumbai is our principal correspondent Disha Yadav, who sent us this report.
We are at the iconic Shivaji Park in Mumbai, where hundreds and thousands of people have gathered from all the age groups to participate in the victory celebration that has been called in by the Shiv Sena and the MNS, which are the Thackeray brothers, Raj as well as Uddhav Thackeray. And as you can see, on a Sunday morning, hundreds of them have come in. What was supposed to be a protest site has now turned into a big victory celebration. The mood is quite energetic. The crowd is quite energetic. As we can see, they are here with the Indian flag. They are here with the posters. They are here with placards, and also some of them are even distributing Indian flags as well, and even sweets for that matter. So this is how the celebration looks like, because finally, after a long month of protest, their demand of the resignation of the Union Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, finally has been met. So they say that they are here to celebrate that finally the voices of the youth are being heard, and this is how people are singing, they are dancing, and they are celebrating each and every protest that have really happened and taken place in the past 1 month or so. They say that their voices finally have been heard. With video journalist Nitesh, this is Disha reporting here for Beyond from Mumbai.